when there is a crack in the wall or roof, we call it a leak. When then the liquid comes in, especially water comes in, we call it a leak. I mean, it's leaking, we say it's leaking. When your buckets, when they broke, when your buckets, sorry, when they break down, when it is broken, when your bucket is broken, what happens when you fill water in the bucket, it leaks. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Your bucket breaks, you fill water in, it leaks. So there was a leak in the hut. There was a leak. Shouting. Mom, mute your mic. Somebody is causing disturbance in the class. There was a leak in the house, and she was shouting in a loud and strong voice. The woman was shouting in a loud and strong voice. Oh, how terrible this leak is! Means terrible, unpleasant, which is not liked, which we do not like. So, how terrible this leak is, the woman shouted. How terrible! I would rather meet a tiger in the forest than have this leak in my house. So, the woman thought, how bad this leak is, how disturbing this leak is. I would meet a tiger than have this leak in my house. What was the woman telling? Meeting a tiger would be easy than bearing this leak. Means she was thinking, when there is a leak in the house or a hut, what happens? Slowly the water gets into the house and everything spoils. Do you understand? Everything spoils. Books spoil, clothes spoil, and kitchen items spoil, and food spoils. All the water will be filled in the hut because the hut was small. We are not telling it was a house, it was only a hut. So obviously it will be small. So that small hut was being filled with water, and everywhere there was water, and everything was getting spoiled. So she was feeling, I would rather meet a tiger. Meeting a tiger would be easy. What will a tiger do? We can face a tiger or fight a tiger. But having a leak in my house is terrible. She shouted. Oh, how terrible. You can look at the picture also. The hut is there and the tiger is listening. What is this woman saying? It was listening. A leak, the tiger thought. What is a leak? It must be very dangerous and strong, or the woman would not be more frightened of the leak than of me. So when the tiger heard this, what did the woman say? What did she say? What a terrible leak. I would rather meet a tiger than bear bear this leak in my house. Then the tiger thought, what is this woman saying? This woman is saying she can meet a tiger, but she cannot bear a respond, all of you, boys and girls. What are you doing?
Madam.
What are you doing? What did the woman say? She can bear a tiger, but she cannot bear a
Leak.
leak. So I can bear a tiger, but I cannot bear a leak. Everything is spoiled in my house because of this water getting in. So the tiger was thinking, is this leak more strong and dangerous than me? Because the woman was telling, no, I can bear a tiger, but I cannot bear a leak. So the tiger was thinking, is this leak stronger than me? Is this leak more dangerous than me? Why is it so? Why is it so? So it was thinking, oh, leak must be strong. Am I not rightly called the king of the forest? Aren't they all afraid of me? I wonder what a leak look like. So the tiger did not understand. The tiger did not understand. It was thinking,
Not understand.
yes, it was thinking, this leak is a powerful animal than me. This leak is something more dangerous. So the woman is thinking, I will meet a tiger rather having a leak in my house. But actually, I am the king of the forest. I am the strongest animal. But this woman saying that tiger as frightening as the, I wonder what a leak. like. So the tiger was thinking, I want to see what a leak look what a leak looks like. So that, yes, the lady must be talking about another animal which is bigger and more dangerous than me. The tiger thought, there is some animal which is bigger and stronger than me. That there is some animal which is bigger and stronger than me. Soon afterwards, the tiger fell asleep after listening to all these things and thinking, what is this leak, how is this leak? The tiger fell asleep. He was suddenly awakened by an angry voice shouting in his ear. He felt heavy blows fall upon his head and shoulders. So soon afterwards the tiger fell asleep after listening to woman's voice and all, because it was late midnight and it was tired. The tiger fell asleep. Suddenly somebody was shouting, and that angry voice awakened the tiger. The angry voice came to his ears and it awakened the tiger. He felt heavy blows fall upon his head and shoulders. So there somebody was shouting loud and in a strong voice. In the deep sleep also, the tiger, see, at your house also, when you are sleeping in your house, what happens if somebody makes a loud TV sound, our children are fighting, our mother and father are calling you, don't you wake up?
Yes, madam, we wake up suddenly.
Yes, yes, suddenly we wake up. In the same way, when he heard heavy sound, somebody shouting or calling or doing some noise, the tiger woke up. The tiger was awakened. You horrible beast! A voice screamed angrily. How dare you run away? How make me walk about in the middle of the night trying to find you? Be careful. One of these days I'll kill you. Now go home. The voice was telling to the tiger only. It was the voice of a man. This man was shouting and scolding the tiger only. First did, you horrible beast. Beast means can call beast also. Okay. So, you horrible beast, a voice screamed angrily, shouted angrily. How dare you run away? How dare you run away? It was telling the tiger, how did you run away? How are you make me walk about in the middle of the night trying to find you? So you miles I have to search for you in the middle of the night. I walked a long distance and I came here to find you. If you do like this every day, be careful, I'll kill you. Now go home. It was telling, come on, you ran away from the house, and I am walking in the middle of the night. I am searching for you in the middle of the night, and I am searching for you long distances. Come on, go home immediately. You look at the picture. This man, that is the brave hero of our lesson, is shouting at the tiger. This is the scene. Are you all able to see the slide?
Madam,
Yes, madam.
So this was the scene. Now let us see. The old tiger shivered. The tiger was little old. It was aged. So that old tiger shivered. The tiger was thinking, what is this? The woman is telling it can it can meet the tiger but not meet the leak. The man is shouting at me. What, all these people are very strong. The old tiger shivered. Already it was cold night. Already it was cold night. He was tired and everybody was shouting. So the tiger shivered. This must be the leak who has come out of the hat. So the tiger thought, oh, this is the leak. The woman was telling, leak is more dangerous than me. The woman was telling, I will not meet a leak, but I can meet a tiger. So this is the leak. He thought the potter, the man, was the leak. So he was strong. He was not afraid of the tiger and he was shouting at the tiger to get into the hut. This must be the leak who has come out of the hut. I would better do as he says or he will kill me. The man was telling, I'll kill you if you don't go home. So the tiger thought, I should simply listen to his words and I should do whatever he says, or else this leak is telling he will kill me. So the voice must be of the mysterious creature Leek. This man's name is Leek. This creature is Leek. Better I would do as he says. The tiger was thinking, I have to do as he says. So the tiger allowed himself to be bound around the neck with a thick rope. So the tiger was not moving. The tiger was not moving. The tiger was not roaring. Slowly, it sat wherever it was, and it allowed the man to tie the rope around his neck, and it was silent. The mysterious creature then climbed onto the tiger's back and pulled at the rope. Come on, head for home, shouted. So, yes, creature. Till now, the tiger thought this creature was Leek. His name was Leek, and he was very strong. That creature tied a thick rope around the neck of the tiger, and he climbed upon the tiger's back. See how strong and how brave. Brave people only can climb on the tiger, no? Can you all climb on the tiger?
No, madam.
Can you all climb on the
No, madam.
No,
so, we are afraid of tiger, but this man who the tiger was thinking to be a leak climbed on the tiger's back and pulled the rope. As if when we ride a horse, what do? We pull the rope so that the horse goes front. So the tiger's rope was being pulled by the man. Come on, head for the home, means go home. Come on, take the route of the home. The voice shouted. So in this way, can you see the picture? Can you?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. That is the picture.
Yes, ma'am.
In this way, the man was trying to take the tiger to his house. It was night time. You can see the moon also. That's not a sun, that's a moon. It was midnight. Now you see, the tiger felt a sharp side. The tiger mute your mic, ma. Lot of disturbance from somebody's house. All of you mute your mic. All of you mute your mics. The tiger felt a sharp kick on his side. The tiger was terrified and he ran through the dark forest. The creature pulled hard on the rope to tell him which way to go. At the same time, it scolded, cursed, and kicked the poor tiger. So the tiger felt a sharp kick. After the man got onto the tiger, it gave a sharp kick as if we give to the horse. And the tiger was terrified. Oh, this man, this leak is very strong person. It is kicking me. So he must be really strong. The creature pulled hard on the rope to tell him which way to go. So the creature, that is the tiger, thought it was a leak. Actually, he was a man. He was pulling the rope of the tiger to show the way how to go and which way to go to the tiger. It was pulling the rope as we pull to the horse. So as we pull the horse, it was pulling the rope of the tiger in the same way. When we get onto the horse, we also pull its rope. When we go for a horse ride, we pull its rope to show which way to go. At the same time, this man, not only it was kicking the tiger, he was kicking the tiger hard, cursing it, number of words. It was telling, you, why did you come out, why did you leave the house, why in dark midnight I have to come this long to search you. And he was kicking the tiger again and again. Soon they stopped in front of a small hut. They went to another hut. They went to another hut. Soon they stopped in front of a small hut on the edge of the thick forest. So at the edge of the thick forest, this man stopped the tiger in front of a small hut. The creature climbed down from the tiger's back and bound him with an iron chain into a nearby tree. So after they reached the hut, the creature, actually he is a man, he is the brave potter of our story's hero. So he climbed down from the tiger's back and he took an iron thick chain and he bound the iron thick chain to the neck of the tiger, and he chained that tiger to the nearby tree. You can see the picture. Is the picture visible, all of you? Okay, your mics are mute, I think. The picture is visible, I think. Yes. So in this way, the creature, actually he tied the tiger to the nearby tree. Then he went inside the hut. The tiger could not free himself from the chain. So he had to spend a miserable night under the tree. Who was this creature who was able to capture such a large and dangerous tiger? Let's find out. So for the readers, this question is for you all, for the readers. This creature, what did it do? It tied the tiger to the tree with a strong iron chain, and he went into the hut to maybe to sleep because it was night. And the tiger did not move. The tiger did not move because the chain also was very strong. It could not free itself. And the miserable night it was. Why was it a miserable night to the tiger? Miserable is very sad, very unhappy, very, very, very uncomfortable. It is sorrowful. So the tiger thought, why am I tied here? Who is this creature? He is very strong. He kicked me. He sat on me. Actually, people are afraid of me. Actually, people don't come near me also. But this leak is very strong. He sat on me and he brought me here, and he captured is catching somebody or something. So he captured me and he tied me here. So I cannot move now. Till it is morning, I cannot move from here. So all of you readers, we will see who the creature is and why did he do this. What did he do? That is, he tied the tiger. No, what did he do? What did he do is tying the tiger. Why did he do? Let us see. Now starts the next part of the story. Let us see. I think the class will end, ma. So till the tiger is tied, we finished. All of you take your textbooks. As you all have your textbooks, you have to go through the lesson once again. Okay, read the lesson carefully till we completed it, and you have to see what comprehension questions we can make and what comprehension answers we can make from the part of the lesson we completed. Okay, the class will end now. We will continue the lesson in next class. Before that, I am telling you all, read the lesson till it is completed. Try to make possible comprehension questions and try to make possible comprehension answers from the part of the lesson. Don't waste your time. Be serious with studies. Whatever homework teachers are giving after Zoom classes, do it seriously and post it in the group. All of you. Okay?
Okay, madam.
Okay,
Okay,
madam.
madam.
Okay, madam.
Class